How are you after that last talk?
Good.
Good? You know,
Yeah.
I can feel the joy from the different couples. When I saw their faces, some are really, I see tears in their eyes. Brothers and sisters, it is only in this kind of retreat in CFC where we experience this kind of joy, where we have that, that intimate moment with our spouse. And of course, the Lord is always there in the middle of our retreat. So it's always good. God is good? And all the time. And so, brothers and sisters, when God is welcomed into the heart of the family, the table can no longer remain small. It must begin to make room for others. At some point, the table must grow from the table of three. Christian life that stays privately eventually becomes shallow. Jesus did not eat only with friends. He ate with sinners, with the broken, with the rejected. This session reminds us you cannot receive mercy and refuse to extend it to others. We will hear about reconciliation, koinonia, or communion. The sacrament of reconciliation is not just an idea. It is a sacrament. And the courage to welcome those who would we rather avoid. So in this talk, brothers and sisters, we will stretch our hearts. Because the question is not who deserves a seat. The real question is, who was once patient enough to wait for me? To give the third talk and the last talk for today, extending the table, we are privileged and honored to have a very special guest. He is our country coordinator for CFC USA. I would like to introduce to you Brother Joe Yamamoto.
Oh, come and sit at my table, where saints and sinners are friends. I wait to welcome the lost and lonely to share.